Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
Hadin ke jingap kami linti ke bala kato kat ni Bnai ke Sorkar jelah ke sengi baar jong ke santerik Bnai yayong arajar arpu ar kala pelat ya ke pisah ke bahan rupo Klur tengka na ke benta ban Siew ya ke Tulop jong Bnai naiwing bat nok pra jong snem arajar arpu ar sya ki Nonghikai School SSA. Menteri ketenat puli putih ke Sorkar jelah ubak lak men rumbui oleh atho ke Sorkar pedeng ru kala pelat pisah henru pra Klur tengka na ke benta ban Siew ya ke Tulop ke baar bana jong ki Nonghikai School SSA badah kejo kapor uliat horu baya ke Tulop jong ki Nonghikai SSA an sapelat no na ke benta Sao Bnai.
The government has released what is being promised by me have been released. The government have released on 26th of last month, and it must have reached the district, and they must have distributed whatever we have already promised. The 2 months we are working on it, which we have received from the Government of India, so it will release within this month. The government have released 60 crore, and the Government of India also is releasing 68 crore. 4 months is reflect also in the budget. So nitty-gritty of the project is being worked out, and in due course of time, it will be implemented. The process is on. So we will see after working all the challenges, all the things, then we will do accordingly. We have not determined for how many schools, but the project is on, and where, how many in Shillong, how many in Tura, that I have not, I have no information. So the CM is working on it, but whatever initiative is for the best interest of the student community of the state. The idea is to ensure that traffic congestion is reduced in Shillong, but I have already briefed last week that we also have the challenges while implementing this project. So that's why we have to see once it is rolled out that necessary challenges have been sought out so that this project will become successful. In the budget, it's 100 declared by the CM, 100, so we will see. It's for student community.